I don't know what they were doing with this curl. It's so fabulous. I'm obsessed. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this 24-inch body wave, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, glueless wig from Isee Hair. And let me tell you, Isee Hair always comes through. Look at this. Look at these little curtain bangs. They were already cut in the wig and they look so amazing, you guys. I am obsessed. So yes, this wig is completely glueless. You guys see my tan line over here. But yes, this wig is completely glueless and it was so easy to install. Isee Hair actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany and let's get into this video. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig from Isee Hair and see what it's giving. Like a glueless wig is the way to go. Like I told you guys, when it comes to closure wigs, I'm getting a little bit tired of all the work. A glueless wig, you just put that baby on and you're good. And one thing about Isee Hair, they always come through with the packaging. Here you go. It's in a nice little shopping bag. Then you take out your wig. Oh! Whoa, okay guys. Woo! Here it is. Let's see what we have in here. See what we have. Okay, we're gonna sit the wig to the side and then we're gonna look at the gifts first, then we'll go back to the wig. So, look at this box. This is such a cute box. But you get a wig cap. Bam. Here you get more information on the wig and what exactly the M cap is. Here it is. You learn the features about the wig. So it is a 9x6 lace. So that means it's gonna go back pretty far. And you get a nice amount of space here, so you can do like a side part or a middle part depending on what you want. It does have a C-shaped design, so you see this area by the ear. Like some wigs, it kind of like tugs your ear and adds extra pressure on your ear. This is the C-cap design. The cap is fitted, so it can be worn glueless. This is a glueless wig. So a lot of these wig companies are doing like little fake rinky-dink wigs that are glueless. So they have this label so you can ensure it's legit, you guys. So let's go ahead and look and see what we have with this wig. So this is a 24-inch body wave wig and you can already see it's pre-plucked. Let's actually take it out and see what she's giving. I've been needing like a nice body wave closure wig. That's really what I've been looking for lately. So it does, ooh, look at that. It's already curled. It's not gonna be much work to put this wig on whatsoever. But let me show you all. So here it is. Oh, look at that. It's almost like that nice Leos style they're trying to do these days. So you see, you kind of have like almost a widow's peak in the front. I like the way they pluck this a lot. I feel like this wig is going to give as soon as I put it on. It's going to eat. So, as you can see, the knots are already bleached. As close as we look, you cannot see the knots in the hair. It is pre-plucked. Bam. You see that? Like the hairline looks good. You can just imagine this on my hair already. And the lace is already cut, so if you're someone who does not want to like cut off the lace, a lot of wigs have a lot of excess lace, it's already cut for you. So we should be able to put this wig on and go. So here are the curls. I love these curls, you guys. These are some nice ring curls. So once we shake this out, oh, it's going to eat the girlies up. So I'm not that good at curling, so that's probably the part I'm most excited about, that this wig is already pre-curled. So let's go ahead. Take it off. Let's look at the inside of this wig and see what she's giving. Because a 9x6, that should be a lot of parting space. Oh, okay. It is. Let me show you. So I'm going to turn it inside out for you guys. This is a 9x6. You get a nice amount of parting space this way to where, like I said, you can do the side part and then, of course, the middle part. And here it is. It is an elastic band in the back. You can tighten or loosen depending on your head size. And here's their label in the back. Let me take this off so we can go ahead and get this wig installed, you guys. I know you guys want to see. So, oh, it does have removable combs too. I know I don't always like combs in my wig because they can kind of pull out your real hair, especially with me because I don't really use wig caps. It can definitely pull out your real hair. So those are always a goodie. I am running a little low on my lace tint, but we are going to add a little bit of lace tint if we can to this wig, if I have any left. And then we're just going to put this baby on and see what she's giving. See how secure she is. We got to do the security test too. Okay, so I have a little bit. Bam. Bam, you guys. So let's put this wig on and see what she's giving. I know my forehead is really big, guys. Ooh, this wig is super duper secure. It's very secure, you guys. Ooh. Oh, it's already looking good. Hold up now. It's already looking good. Let me bring her forward a little bit. Okay, bam. Oh, okay, it's like already layered a little bit too, so you don't have to worry about layering this wig. You see these pieces are a little shorter. So, this is what she's giving right out the pack. Like, right, bam. Okay, so right out the box, this thing is super secure. Look, she's already eating. I love, love, love this. So, look at the part. I don't even have a wig cap on, you guys, and it's eating. Let me show you guys. So it is like, you see that tan line is ridiculous. But this wig is completely glueless, you guys, and my hair is getting in my lip gloss a little bit. But it's secure. It's secure. I do feel like this wig is super secure. Let's kind of rake out these curls a little bit. Ooh, I love the way they curled this. I feel like they did a really good job with that. Ooh, these are the curls I want to do so bad, but like, I just don't know how. I love these. So I'm going to add a little extra concealer to the part to make the part just pop. And bam, it's really eating. Like, the curls look amazing. Look at this. Whoa, she's gorgeous. She is absolutely gorgeous, and I am in love with this thickness. Like, hold on, let me get to the back. The way they also layered this, insane, you guys. I am obsessed. This looks so, so good. I love this. I didn't even like really put the hot comb to the front yet. Like, this is just the wig out of the pack. That's how good it looks. Right out of the box, the wig looks this good. Yeah, I love this. I love the way they styled this. This is, I feel like Isee hair has always been so far ahead of a lot of wig companies. Like, everyone. They're the most innovative company. Like, when it came to glueless wigs, they've been on it since day one. They've been on it. Like, I don't know. I really, really love Isee hair, you guys. They really are the wig company. When it comes to these glueless wigs, nobody does it better than Isee. I promise you, no one does it better. Like, I've tried a lot of glueless wigs. When it comes to glueless, Isee, no one does it better than Isee. Look how full and fabulous I look. Like, I look like, look how full and fabulous my hair looks like. This is insanity. I love this. Look at the way that bang just like, that's so fabulous. Look at that bang. Look at that. Oh my goodness, Isee, you ate that. This is gorgeous. So I didn't even put the hot comb to this wig yet. I know I was going to like kind of flatten the top, get the top like laid, but I'm loving how like high up this looks. Like, this looks good. I've seen sew-ins look like this. Like, this looks like a sew-in. And it's literally a glueless wig. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, you guys. I don't know what they were doing with this curl. It's so fabulous. I'm obsessed. Look at these ends. This is like how bundles used to look back in the day. If you got a good sew-in, this looks so good. This is like a nice classy length. Like, I love where this falls. So even curl, it comes like right under my boobies. So if you straighten this, it's like at my waist. So this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful length. I love it, Isee. You did your thing. With this wear and go wig, Isee absolutely ate. 10 out of 10. This is honestly my favorite glueless wig ever. Like, look at this. This is fabulous. This is how I want my hair to look every day. Every single day. But you guys, of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.